back here. Get back here. Alright guys, so we know that situation might have been a little exaggerated, but we are excited to highlight our new filter packs. Now, this is the standard filter pack, which comes with everything that you need to maintain your FASS fuel system for up to 60,000 miles, or if you're maintaining 2 systems, to perform 1 full service change on both systems. We also offer the XL filter pack, which comes with the longer filters if you're running those on your truck, and again comes with everything you need to do a full service. These are convenient, easy to store, and come in this great custom packaging so you can set them on the shelf, put them in the shop without having to worry about them. So to order your filter pack, either the standard size or the XL, you'll go to fassride.com, go to the fuel filter selector, and that's where you'll find your fuel filter packs. Simply add them to your cart and the checkout process is easy from there. Thanks for watching. That's way better.